Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how can you add a trend line in your Excel chart. So just before we start, if you want to learn more MS Excel related tips, I have a full course available where I covered many such MS Excel related tips. If you are interested, check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the computer right now to see how can you create a trend line within a MS Excel chart. If you follow my mouse, I have a data set available here. This is the sales volume of different zones which are mentioned there. Now, if I select this particular data set and I go to insert and I go to chart, I'll be able to see different options. What I'll do, I'll select one of the bar chart here and I'll click on that. So this particular chart will get created. If I just press Alt and I adjust this particular chart here, now we can see the sales data is there. Now what I need to add one trend line here, which means one single line will be plotted here, which will be average of this entire data. Now how to do that? So let me show you the quickest way. Now let me add something here that is average. Now what I'll do, now I'll type equal to then average, and then I will select this entire range and I'll close the bracket. But before I proceed, I need to change this particular reference to an absolute reference, which means that I need to I can use one shortcut, that is F4 from your keyboard, function key 4. Let me press that, and then you can see this particular first value got changed to an absolute reference, and the next one also will do that in the similar way. What it will do then, it will stick to this particular range only. Otherwise, once I press enter and if I want to copy this particular value and paste here, what it will do, it will change the range from this one to the next one and in the similar way, so that I don't want that relative value, I want that absolute value. So if I now press Control V to paste this entire data, now I have that average available. Now, next step is, if I click on the chart, and then you can see the data is, this particular chart got plotted from the data of column C and D. And this particular selection is showing that. Now, if I just drag it here, then it will get added into the chart. Now you can see one average bar chart got added in this particular chart, and which is having a same value considering the average is same. However, we want a line here. It got added as a bar chart, right? So now the next step is what I need to do. I need to click on this particular bar, and then I need to go to this particular option, change series chart type. If I go there, you'll be able to see one prompt. Now there is one option available in the combo in the left, bottom left actually. If you are using a latest MS Excel version, then you will be able to see this particular option. It is available from 2016 onwards. So if you're not able to see, then check your Excel version also. So if you go to combo and then in the average, you can see currently it's mentioned as clustered column. Instead of that, if you click on the drop down and then you click on the line, what it will do, it will add the line here. It's showing as a preview. If you just click OK, now this average got added as a trend line. So this is the way you can add a trend line to your existing chart. And this is the quickest way, and there are other certain ways also available. I can see I saw some of the people where they added one maybe static line just by drawing it, but that's not the right way. So this is the way you can add a trend line there. So hopefully you like this particular video. If you want to watch similar content in future, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.